Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating my signature full system conversion. That means converting both the radio and 8-track for optimum performance. And so let you take a peek at that. This system comes from Dan in Stone Mountain, Georgia. It's out of a 72 Olds 442. And I've learned from my customers, do not say 442. So this is for an Olds 442. And I probably should have known that already. And so customers requested just the basic FM conversion, none of the fancy features, just FM conversion, and then the 8-track converted for optimum performance with this. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area.
Inside of your 401k and is only applicable to the stock of the company for which
now since we're on talk radio, I can demonstrate the balance and fader functions.
In, let's say, a brokerage-linked 401k where you can pick individual stocks.
Okay, I'm going to activate the
so
virtual
you're getting ready to retire.
Front rear fader.
Generally speaking, which is what this person did, they
fader adjust.
Alrighty.
Everything from their
so
401k into an IRA.
All the way front,
including their company stock.
all the way rear.
Now, everything was deferred. That wasn't a taxable event. And this person starts taking withdrawals from that IRA in retirement. It's all taxed at ordinary income. Instead,
fader
set.
Because the company stock was
balance.
highly appreciated. They could have
balance adjust.
Okay.
Basically, what happens? This person would have
left.
received the stock and paid ordinary income tax on the average
right.
cost basis, which in this example was low.
Left.
Then they can defer remaining tax,
Right.
and that
Okay,
accrues over time until the stock is eventually sold, and they pay
balance set.
Okay, we're
on
good.
the growth.
All right, let's move to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quite fast. All right, FM.
Walked in there just after.
Okay, so there's that. Got to keep these songs short these days. Get nailed for copyright stuff. Okay, let's pop in the 8-track.
Takes a minute to read.
Pull the tape out, radio comes right back on. So that takes care of everything.
I've been listening to anything you've been doing. I'm sure it was boring.
Got a good dial light there. Yes, we do. Dial light works. And that little light comes on when you hit the 8-track. Make sure that again. Yep, here we go. All right, so that concludes the test. This equipment is ready to go back to its owner, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and the way to start a business relationship with me is to visit my website first. Do not call me with questions. That's what the website's for. On my website, you've got my complete list of prices and options, and it's also contained in the work order that you have to fill out and include with the unit anyway. So you got to fill out a work order. So you might as well just go ahead and download one and get all the information on that, because that's what's designed to answer all the questions that customers ask when they commonly call first time. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Dan, for your business all the way from Georgia, and we'll see you guys next time.